Hello everyone, welcome to the Postman automation tutorial series. So in this video we will again practice with the weather API, but in this case we will try with another scenario. So previously we passed this latitude and longitude and the API was returning some values, weather data based on these two values. So let's see what happens when we do not pass this latitude. Okay, so let's send it. So as you can see, almost all the test case failed, just the response time was correct. Other than that, everything failed because the status code got changed. Also the latitude and longitude is not correct because the entire response got changed, and also as the structure of the response got changed, so that's why the schema didn't match as well. So that means everything changed when we didn't pass this latitude. So that means the API response can change depending on different scenarios. So how we can make our automation script that can support all these scenarios? So to do that, what we can do is, first we will just duplicate this API and let's rename it, and let's say no latitude. Okay, so this weather API works with the successful flow, and this one works with the failure flow where we will not pass this latitude. Okay, so let's test this API. So again, we can get the codes from the GitHub link, also from here as well, but as I have it here already, so I'm just taking it from here. Okay, so let's go here and paste it here. So now our expectation is 400, so let's write it 400, and also let's keep the response time as it is. And now our JSON data is different. It's sending error true, so let's say JSON data dot error, it should be equal to true, and also let's say this reason should be this one value. Okay, all right, and the schema is different, so let me remove the schema first. Okay, so you already know how we can get the schema of this JSON response. So let's go in the website once again, remove this one, let's remove this one as well, let's generate the schema, let's copy it and let's paste it here. So now we have the schema and we are verifying it. So now you can see all our test cases passed once again. So now we have two scenarios handled. So that means if we want to handle another scenario, for example, we don't in another scenario we will pass this latitude and we will not pass longitude, so that means we will just duplicate it and handle all the scenarios. And let's say we will not pass anything at all, so in that case it will be another scenario. So depending on that, we will just duplicate our API, call this, and just will adjust the test cases. That's it. So this is how you can handle multiple scenarios of each of the APIs. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching this. See you in the next one.